everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my base BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of November. And I'm gonna be honest, I was so prepared to do my makeup today and get glam and play with makeup. And then I opened this box and there's really no makeup in here. There's one item that you will be able to see, and it's one I'm already familiar with. So a little upset about that, but we're gonna jump in anyway. So if you wanna see a full review, unboxing, and I was gonna say demo, but there's really not much here to demo of the November BOXYCHARM box. Stay tuned. All right, jumping right in, the theme is It's Giving Giftable Glam. Very cute, a little bit too early. This is November. This should probably be December. But anyway, we're gonna jump in, and I have some opinions on this box already. There's some items that I'm just really disappointed in right out of the gate. And yeah, we're gonna get into that whole thing. So the first item out of the box from Ofra Cosmetics is the Faceit Midi palette. This is in the shade Medium. Retailing for $35, bring the vacay with you with this curated complexion trio to sculpt, warmth, and highlight. The palette features buildable matte contours and soft shimmery bronzers, perfectly coordinated to light, medium, or deep skin tones, retailing for $35. Now, I did a full review on this product maybe a year ago. It is a bronzer, contour, and highlight. As you know, I am a very big fan of the powder formula for Ofra. I did actually downsize this exact palette when I moved from Florida to Colorado just because I didn't need it, since I had the big, massive, everything Ofra palette. I didn't really need both. So I am going to drop this in an upcoming giveaway, not because I don't like it. It is a fantastic mini palette. It is a fantastic formula. I think it works really well, especially as it said on medium skin tones. Such a beautiful product, but I already have all of those colors in that other palette, so I just don't need it. Not a bad product, not a pass for me, not a fail for me, just something I already own. And I did not get it in a BOXYCHARM. I got that in a BOXYCHARM. I got this from Ofra in PR eons ago. The next product is one that I was so disappointed to see because the first time that we got this product, which was, I want to say 18 months ago, I didn't like it then either. I'm not even going to waste my time trying it now. This is the Soleil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush. Many of you will remember this from many boxes ago. Retailing for $150, which is a little ridiculous. This tool is the perfect on-the-go style for styling and touch-ups. It is as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to glide through your hair quick and easily. Safe for all hair types, welcome your new favorite hair tool. Now, way back when, I was hot styling my hair, so it was something that I did use periodically. I do not hot style my hair anymore. I try not to put heat on there as often as possible. And I did not like this product. It did not tame frizz. It did not straighten. Really, it just warmed my hair up, which I was not a fan of. That is a fail for me. The next item out of the box is the Lip Slick Fruit Oil from Sophia and Mabel. So you think you're slick. This lip oil gives you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly colored and applies to the lips like a slick, transparent oil with a fruity twist. Use it for a nourished look or in place of lipstick on the days that call for a chill look. This retails for $22. Now, I had one of these and I actually downsized it recently. It was not in this pale pink color. Mine had like a shimmer to it. But I am going to pass on it because I found the formula to be a little sticky. I am on my second backup of the KAB lip oil. This came in a BOXYCHARM. This is a new one that I recently opened because I finished another one. Instead of like that one, this one goes on completely clear. It is a little bit more of a glossy formula, but it is not sticky at all. I love a good lip oil for adding that nourishment, adding that little bit of shine. I can wear this on its own, or I can layer it on top of lipstick. The formula of this lip oil, the first time I used the other color, broke down my lip liner underneath it, and it just was a little too much oil to really wear it for a long time on top of another lip color. So this is going to be a pass from me. I do love a good lip oil though, but not that one. The next item comes from the brand Amina. This is the Macaron Lip Scrub, retailing for $18. Really cute whipped product inside. Looking to have juicy and smooth lips? This lip scrub is made for you. Made with an organic and all natural lip safe ingredient, the scrub smells like freshly baked macaron delight. And guess what? You can lick it off because it's made of real sugar. Now I know I just put on a lip, but I'm going to try the lip scrub as well. So just going to take off the protective seal there. It is a whipped formula. It does say it's a 1 ounce. Definitely smells very, very vanilla-y. Very nice. I'm not a big fan of sticking my fingers into jars, so I am going to grab, do I have a lip brush anywhere? I don't have a lip brush, but I'm going to just grab this eyeshadow brush just to pull the product out. Now I know it says you can eat it off, but I don't love doing that. I like to take most of it off. Like I'll lick my lips at the end, but I'm not gonna like eat a lip scrub off of my lips. I love a good lip scrub because it gets rid of all of the dead skin and lines. Just make sure whenever you use a lip scrub, always follow it up with a lip mask or hydrating lip oil. And I love how soft my lips feel. It's not a super sugary lip scrub. Like the last one that I used, I believe was a Jeffree Star Cosmetics one, which is very gritty and it feels like a thick salt, even though it's sugar-based. This one's almost like a lightweight mousse. You definitely get a ton of exfoliation. You'll see how red my lips look. That will tone down, but it's definitely taking down any of that crusty dryness. So I really like that product. And the last item comes from Bellin Argent. This is the Reframing Brow Gel. Let's reframe things. Shape brows with this jojoba-infused brow gel that is long-lasting and flexible with a clean formula that feels comfortable throughout the day. Realize all of your full feathery brow dreams with this fine brush that doesn't miss any spots, conditions, and promotes the growth of your brows. Retails for $19. I've actually had this before, and I did use it until it was completely gone, and I really loved this product. It had a very small wand, and I loved this product, especially on like a no makeup day, just to comb up my brows. See how it just makes everything sit nicely in place without going overboard? There's also no color in here. And because it is a fully clear formula, this is going to, not show that you're wearing it, but it's a gel, so it is going to dry with a little bit of hold, so your brows aren't going to move anywhere throughout the day. I feel like we used to joke around like 10 years ago that if you wanted no makeup, it was chapstick and mascara. Now it's like brow gel and lip gloss. So definitely a great product. All in this box had a retail value of $244, but I'm gonna take $150 right off the top because this is not good. Unless this is a brand new product, brand new formula, this is an instant fail for me. So looking at the other 4 products on their own, still about, a decent value there. It's $90 without the brush. I know some people who liked it, I just didn't. I think for a base box that costs about $30 or so after all of your shipping and taxes, this is a pretty good box. If you are like me, I definitely like a lip scrub. I love the brow gel. The palette is fantastic. 10 out of 10 if you don't already own it. I didn't love this lip oil, but I love a good lip oil, and if you haven't tried it, you might like it. So 4 out of 5 products for me. Yes, it sucks when the most expensive product is the flop, but that being said, definitely not the worst box I've seen in a while. I am a little upset, though, that they're recycling things from 18 months ago. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!